Hello, my dear friends. Once again, A.S.S Science Foundation is here with a very inspiring story of one of our students, Priyanka Chaudhary. So Priyanka Chaudhary was studying with us in the online as well as regular program at our Delhi center. And she qualified JRF with a record score in first attempt. And subsequently, she was appearing for all the interviews. And she also got the rank 4 in entrance and interview at Guru Gobind Singh Indraprasth University, Dwarka, Delhi, where she joined as a PhD scholar. Along with that, Priyanka also qualified All India rank 20 in Gate Ecology Evolution with us, and she also got a PhD program in FRI, Dehradun. The whole team of A.S.S Science Foundation, the faculty team, the interview guidance team, the mock conduction team and research proposal team congratulate Priyanka and wish her good luck for the future PhD journey. So at present, A.S.S Science Foundation is offering regular classes at their center in Shastri Nagar, Delhi, North Campus. Along with that, we are also providing the online program as well as correspondence with material program. And these programs are available for NET-JRF Environmental Sciences, ASRB NET, all the other competitive exams of jobs and pollution boards in India. Along with that, we are also providing the GATE Ecology Evolution, GATE Environmental Science Engineering, and GATE Life Sciences for 2023. So all those who are interested, the registration is open for 2022 December NET-JRF exam. So they can reach us at the mentioned address and web address, those who are willing to prepare. Thank you.